Good morning to all of you. Dear students, you know the importance of this day. Today is International Human Rights Day. Every year, December 10th is observed as International Human Rights Day. As a human being, regardless of race, color, religion, sex, language, political or other opinion, national or social origin, property, birth, or other status, all have equal rights. But do we have it? In many occasions, we feel from different parts of the world the news in such a way to make us feel that, of course, there are some issues. So, why human rights must be at the center of the post-COVID-19 world? See, connected to this COVID situation also, there was discrimination based on the disease one was suffering or based on the superstition one was keeping. Is it needed? So any such type of discrimination must be addressed because it leads to inequalities. So how it can be a world of respecting human rights? We have to encourage participation, and also we should have the solidarity and promote sustainable development in which all will be having the equal share of the resources. And of course, on this Human Rights Day, we have many questions. If you look around us, we can see many sides. See, the children at younger ages, very small kids are forced to do work in some workplaces like bricklaying or some mines. Okay, you may be feeling sometimes that no, it is artificial, the picture, not at all. They are forcing these type of children to do the work. Anyhow, if we go back to the initiation of this Human Rights Day, it all happened in 1948 when the UN General Assembly made a declaration called the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. And it all started at the 317th plenary meeting of the General Assembly. You know what is the plenary meeting? Plenary meeting means a meeting in which all the members are participating. So, in such a way, 317th time, when all the members of the UN met, it led to the establishment of this human rights, though it was proposed. Again, I am coming back. See, regarding the human rights, the suppression of the human rights, women often are at the end. Of course, the people who are working for securing the human rights, they are in problem. So we need to protect, save these type of workers who are working for the human rights. And again, the old people, they have the rights. Often we are discarding their rights for the livelihood, their rights for the freedom, their rights for their food. Okay, many things are there. Often after some age, the old people are confined into the four walls of the homes. Should not be. And again, the people, the tribal people, they are often suppressed, often exploited. These all things are going on in the world. So, you know the theme of the year 2020. What is the theme of the year 2020 by this Human Rights Commission and also the UN? Recover better, stand up for human rights. So, recover better, stand up for human rights. That is a theme of the year 2020. So, if we have to get the rights, sometimes we may also be subjected to the denial of human rights. Speak up. Speak up against the violation of the human rights. Stop discrimination. Thereby, let's have a wonderful world where all will be having the respect, all will be respecting each other. So, this is the message for you all on this day of International Human Rights Day. Thank you.